Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to show or hide the caller ID on this device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer, and right now we have to tap on this three-dot icon in the right upper corner, and remember, it doesn't matter if you will be on the favorites, recents or contacts. So let's tap on it and enter the settings, and here we have to tap on the caller ID and spam. Let's enter. As you can see, on the very first position we've got See Caller and Spam ID option, which in my case is turned on, so it means that my device will show me the caller ID. But if you'd like to hide the caller ID, just tap on this switcher in order to turn it off. So from now on you won't be able to see the caller ID, so it will be hidden. Of course, you can turn it on whenever you want to. So actually that's all. This is how to show or hide the caller ID in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.